Okay, stop scrolling. Look, have you ever wondered what's the minimum credit score you need to get a home? Look, oftentimes people always ask me, Troy, what is the credit score I need to where I can get a house? What is the minimum I need to have? I'm glad you came. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. My name is Troy Smith. I am a Senior Vice President of Mortgage Lending, and my goal is to make sure you're not overthinking the mortgage lending process. And I'm going to help you go over this right here. This is part 3 to our series in regards to debt to income and understanding credit. Okay, here we go. Let's get to it. I believe that the minimum credit score you need to have is a 640. Why is that? A 640 allows you to be able to have a higher debt to income tolerance. Remember, we talked about debt to income on the first 2 parts of this series. We're talking about now the credit part. Now, having a 640 credit score allows you to have a higher debt to income tolerance, because some programs, when it comes down to first time home buyers, require you to have a 640. See, if you have anything less than the 640, now you're looking at things to be stricter. You may not have the opportunity to be able to do certain things, and you may have to bring more money to closing and may not be able to take advantage of those first time home buyer programs because your credit is lower than 640. So I encourage you to have a minimum of 640. Now, if you did not know, there are three credit bureaus. Number 1 being Equifax right here. Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. What the bank goes by is the middle score of the 3. The middle score. So if you have a 700 Experian, the lowest score you have is a 670 with TransUnion. We're going to go by the middle score this with Equifax right here. For an example, we're going to go by the middle score. You know, when you was in school in math, you say, I'm not going to use the median maintenance mode. I'm never going to use that. Well, you do when it comes down to lending. The middle score is what we're going to use. So the question is this, though. What should my minimum credit score be? I would encourage you to have a 640 or higher. The minimum credit score is 640. Why? Because it allows you to have a higher debt to income tolerance. Thank you for participating and listening to these 3 parts. Hope you got something from it. And be sure to follow me. Be sure to connect with me. I leave content like this on my page all the time, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. I'll holler at you.